What up, peeps? Today we're going to be riding this trail. As you can see, it's hostile. There's literally no houses around through here. There's a trail down through there, and there's a trail right there. Today we're going to be riding this one. Well, here we go. I'm going to hand this over, and I'm going to be, as I did before, I'm going to be riding my Rebel Mongoose and in flip-flops. And see, look at the traction. Well, here we go. I'm going to hand it over to my cameraman, Emily Wright. Here we go. Don't turn it off this time.
As you can see, we're hiking, and I have a camouflage backpack on.
Which is mine.
And we have a lot of food and drinks in it because if we get hungry or thirsty.
You don't got to tell everything. And as you can see, there's literally no houses around.
It's houseless.
So, and we've been, as you can see, we hiked. As you can see, we hiked up through here.
And there's just one dog house. I don't know. We don't know who this belongs to, but
yeah. So here we go. We're riding all the way to my buddy's house. Here we go. Don't turn it off this time.
Your buddy's house?
Let's go.
Brandon, slow down. Can't see nothing. Okay.
Here we go again. Try this for the second round. This is starting. See that? See camera. See, look down that big bluff. As you can see, no houses for miles. We're going to a house.
Don't go fast.
I had to push this back all the way up to the bluff.
Slow down.
See, as you can see, no houses within, again, as I say, no houses within miles. I hiked this bike all the way up in bluff and over there. Here we go again. Here we go.
Brandon, slow down. And they have a lot of thorns. But I have to go around it because I'm on my feet.
See, the trail goes on for miles. All down in them bluffs. Right through there's another trail too.
And there's so much thorns.
And there's been trucks and everything back in here.
And you can see there's thorns and everything.
Oh, flip! Look at one piece of wood. Well, here we go. This is where I come go mudding on the floor. And my bike is on too. And here's the cut.
Brandon, stop.
And as you see, there's more trails.
Hold that line.
There's more trails. There's, like everywhere.
Here. I gotta get bitter water.
We've been hiking for about 40 minutes now. Going on 50. Stranded out here, nobody to help. Just us. My sister is getting out the bottle of water.
Which bucket is it in?
Here, Dumbo.
Give me that.
Oh God, about tipped the back.
And pretty soon we're going to go back to our house.
And as you see, there's like dogs everywhere. There's dogs all over the place in here. If we run into one, I guess we'll just have no defense because I have bunches of weapons at home, but I forgot to bring one this time. So, here we go, off again.
You just scared the backpack.
And my wuss sister ain't gonna carry the backpack. Huh? Bullcrap, you ain't. Oh, here we go. And on our way back, video me. On our way back, we're gonna be taking that trail right there. So, I'm gonna turn off. And if we need another trail up through here, we're gonna take it. So, here we go.
No, we're not.
Here we are.
We don't know where it leads to.
I do. I know what all these trails lead to. As you can see, there's another trail. Fine, just a cat.
As you can see, there's a little tree house right there. Someone built. Brandon, stop. As you can see, there's a house, a barn down there.
That is my friend's house. His name is Larry St. Liver. His name, Larry St. Liver. He's right down there. And by the way, that crunching noise in the woods, that was just the cat that followed us. His name is Tom. Well, staying right here. I'm going to turn around. I'm going down here. Turn around. Stay where you are because I'm coming back up that trail right there.
Here we're going. We're going back home.
No, we're definitely turning off a different trail. Go.
Ow! Brandon!
Here's that trail. We're turning off right here. Keep going. I know where that leads to. Go. Leads up back at the house. Go. Wait, no, we gotta turn around. There's big logs running there. Take my bike over a big log. So I gotta turn around and go down that way. You gotta run. So I'm gonna catch up with you quick. Go, go. There's some cutting blades, cutting grass. Just a dog, guys. It's okay.
Brandon.
Well, we're going riding for today, so.
Is that doghouse again?